How's it going, YouTube? It's Damien with Details by Dame here. Today we will have a product unboxing and initial review on Maxshine's Premium Sheepskin Wool Mitt. This mitt I recently ordered in comparison to CarPro Merino's wool wash mitt. This one was a competitor and it was around $5 cheaper than CarPro's initial wash mitt, and it was around $10 cheaper than their larger premium wool wash mitt. But this one is Maxshine's Premium Sheepskin Wool Mitt. The Maxshine Premium Sheepskin Wool Mitt is constructed of dense, soft, 100% Australian Merino wool for a premium car washing experience. Incredibly absorbent, this wash mitt guarantees an easy, safe, and effective washing experience. Unlike foam sponges, grit and dirt is safely lifted by the wool fibers from painted surfaces, reducing any risk of scratching. To clean, you rinse in cool water, by hand, and air dry. These mitts are a lot better than a lot of competitors, which are chenille wash mitts. Chenille wash mitts are actually horrible because they end up missing a lot of spots due to the gaps in between the fibers, and they're not as effective when it comes to auto detailing and cleaning the surface of your vehicle. But here's what it looks like from the back. It's mesh. From the front, you have that Merino wool. Let's open it up. Taking it out, it is super soft. You can tell that it'll trap and absorb all the dirt and grime from your vehicle without scratching. Very soft wash mitt. And on the other side, it is mesh. The mesh is perfect for scrubbing the deeper contaminants in your car, such as bird droppings or love bugs or tar, tree sap, anything that's really tough to come off your paint. This mesh here will get it right off immediately. Just be careful with the tags. Remember to rip them off, as always. And here you have a little glove component for your wash mitt. It does have a little finger divider right here in the middle, so you can put like 2 and 2. And then this is nice and convenient. I have a pretty large size hand. This guy fits it perfectly, and it covers a ton of ground as well. So yeah, that's our unboxing on Maxshine's Premium Sheepskin Wool Mitt. Thank you for watching.